vacuum. The manufacturing industry of the world depends on it. Vacuum is used in robots where suction cups can lift, hold, and fixate workpieces without damaging the contact surface. The problem is that traditional centralized vacuum systems are inefficient. They use large vacuum pumps situated remotely with extensive tubing and fittings. Meet Peter Tell, the Swedish inventor behind the revolutionizing COAX vacuum ejector.
The main objective to develop the COAX system was to create a vacuum source which was efficient, lightweight, and had a minimum of moving parts and was easy to integrate. The result of my efforts is the COAX cartridge, the world's smallest multi-stage ejector. The size of it is just slightly bigger than a match. Experience from previous installations has shown dramatic energy savings and productivity increase when going from centralized vacuum to fast and low power decentralized vacuum. The COAX system is powered with compressed air. The air is injected into the cartridge where it is forced through a number of special nozzles. The pressure of the compressed air turns into speed. This creates a dramatic drop in static pressure. As you see, the COAX cartridges needs very low feed pressure, which also makes it less sensitive to fluctuations in pressure feed lines.
In order to prove the impressive power of the COAX ejector, we've had it put to a number of tests. Could the smallest ejector, the one you just saw in Peter's hand, lift a car? 4 suction cups, fitted between a car and a crane, were connected to a single mini COAX ejector. Of course, it worked. We asked the world-famous Botnia Marine, builders of the sturdy and luxurious Targa crafts, to use COAX vacuum ejectors when molding the hull of one of the 42-foot top models, the Targa 42. Botnia Marine used 2 full-size COAX ejectors the size of an ordinary cigar to create the necessary vacuum to successfully mold the entire hull of the craft seen here. RSP, or Robot System Products, are Swedish specialists in designing and producing various robot peripherals such as tool changers, hose packages, and vacuum grippers. Torbjörn Hedlund is product manager for consumer goods.
One advantage for us is that the COAX ejector has low weight. We use it on the IRB 340, and on the IRB 340 there's a lot of acceleration and deceleration. And that means we don't want to move around a lot of weight. And also an advantage is that the COAX ejector can be integrated near the suction cup. When we have the ejector close to the vacuum cup, we get a high vacuum flow. And that means for us we get a fast system. The advantage of the COAX system is it's easy to clean. And for us in the consumer goods industry, it's extremely important to have high uptime.
ABB is one of the world's leading manufacturers of production robots. Mats Ogren, lean coordinator of ABB Robotics, sees many advantages with the COAX vacuum system.
Flexible automation is very important for us. We handle a lot of different variants of products, and it would not be possible for us to shift tools between those different products. Therefore, the automation we choose must be flexible. High production cost is an issue in all companies, especially in high-cost countries. At ABB, we believe that automation is one way of handling that. Automation will lower your cost, and it will also increase your quality. Environmental issues are very important. An automation system must consume a minimum of energy and also be silent. It's important to be able to run your production lines continuously. Therefore, it's very important that the equipment automation is simple and easy to maintain.
Now you'll learn what COAX technology can do for speed and energy consumption and other traditional productivity issues. A major ice cream manufacturer was looking for a totally different solution though, in process control. When gripping a large number of ice creams, Losing one ice cream caused major fluctuations in the vacuum system, causing a multitude of dropped ice cream. With a decentralized solution, with an individual vacuum source per ice cream, losing one ice cream no longer meant dropping many. This improved process stability gave them much higher productivity and as a bonus, a 50% reduction in energy consumption.
The new COAX system is small, efficient, and can be built into almost any manufacturing machine or robot. It ranges in size from just a little larger than a match to the size of an ordinary cigar. COAX vacuum technology can boost your productivity at the same time as it saves power. Tell us your problem and let us show you a vacuum solution for the 21st century.